Unboxing a Christopher Ward watch is a very special moment, which is why we put just as much thought into our packaging as we do our timepieces. The premium watch industry and sustainable packaging have never felt like comfortable companions. We believe that reducing our environmental impact is vital. Each Christopher Ward watch box is EVA foam-free and made from 95% biodegradable materials, including cotton, eco-MDF and bamboo. Inside the box, you'll find a welcome letter, warranty card and cleaning cloth alongside your owner's manual. The owner's manual will include all of the information about your watch and how to operate it. If you're lucky, you may discover a handwritten note from our CEO and co-founder Mike France. Once a month, he chooses one customer to have one on us. That is, the watch is gifted to you for free. If you see the note, you'll know that's you. If not, you can still experience the joy of opening and closing the beautifully engineered box. For more information, please visit our website, christopherward.com.